Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something exciting to unbox and review, the MSI Modern 15 laptop with Intel's i12th Gen i3.1-15U processor. I snagged this beauty for an incredible deal of just 36,000 rupees during the Great Indian Festival. If you're interested, I've left an affiliate link in the description below, so be sure to check it out if you're planning to make a purchase. Alright, let's dive right into the unboxing. As you can see, the packaging is sleek and modern, which is fitting for a laptop named the Modern 15. Opening it up, you'll find the power adapter and some documentation. It's a pretty straightforward unboxing experience. Now, let's talk specs. This laptop is powered by the 12th generation Intel Core i3.1-15U processor, capable of reaching speeds up to 4.4 GHz. It comes preloaded with Windows 11 Home, which is a bonus for many users. In terms of memory and storage, it's equipped with 8 GB of DDR4 onboard dual-channel RAM and a speedy 512 GB NVMe PCIe Gen 3x4 SSD, the Intel UHD graphics, and 802.11ax Wi-Fi 6 with Bluetooth V5 to complete the package. Now, before we move on to our sound and screen test, there's one issue worth mentioning: the battery life. As you can see, when I unboxed the laptop, it had no battery life whatsoever. That's not a good sign. Unfortunately, it seems the battery on this particular unit is not up to par. But let's not dwell on the negatives too much. Now, we're going to test the sound quality and screen performance. We'll be watching a 4K YouTube video to see how it fares.
कर रहा हूँ ना।
Okay, here we are watching a stunning 4K video. The screen looks vibrant, and the 60Hz refresh rate is delivering a smooth experience. As for the sound quality, let's take a listen. The sound quality is pretty good for a laptop of this size. It's clear and has decent volume. Watching videos or streaming content on this laptop should be an enjoyable experience. If you found this unboxing and initial review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and consider subscribing for more tech reviews and unboxings. And if you're interested in purchasing, please check out link in the description. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.